Hi, welcome. Now let's check how the market is going to perform in the coming week. This is a Nifty daily time frame. First, we will check, use the trend line. If you draw the trend line for this, and if you take, you could see this in a head and shoulder pattern. This one shoulder, this head and shoulder. Normally, in this case, uh, yes. This gap, it will be, you can consider this gap as the for further fall. If this the head and shoulder confirms, then you can expect this market to come up to this level. If you check what is this level range, yes, yeah. And this the support. This is the resistance which Nifty was formed in this 2023 September. You can expect Nifty to touch those level, that is around 20,000 level, 20,000 levels. Okay, in the another case, yeah, and if Nifty breaks this trend line, then you can expect Nifty to immediately come up to this levels. If it breaks that level, the next target will be 20,000, approximately 20,200 for Nifty. On the higher side, if this is one scenario, if this head and shoulder doesn't work out, in that case, what will be the another scenario? In that case, if you draw the trend line to this bottom, in this case, Nifty has to break this trend line. Only then we can you can confirm this Nifty to touch until this line, that is 22,900. Below that, this 22,700. Below that, 20,000. If Nifty doesn't break this trend line, in that case we can take the another scenario by drawing another trend line on the higher side. Now higher side means from this top to this top. In this case, if Nifty breaks on the higher part, this part means, in that case, this head and shoulder will never work out. In that case, you can expect Nifty to go higher levels. That depends on how the market moves and whether it breaks this lower side trend line, or it crosses the higher side trend line. That we have to wait and watch. Normally, this depends on taking into consideration the indicators also. For that, it is always better to go for two indicators, which I always suggest. That is, one is MACD, another one is RSI. Yeah, this RSI, you just change the settings. High upper circuit you change to 60, lower side you change 40, middle line you remove it off. As long as the Nifty is trading between 60 and 40, you need not expect any big fall or big rise in the market. The Nifty will be in the sideways. This is the general indication, RSI indicator. If this indicator crosses this 60 line, in that case you can expect a Nifty to move very high. And each and every time when this 60 is crossed, you can see a hike in the market. Similarly, on the lower side, when and all that 40 zones are broken, you can see there's some sort of weakness in the market. As long as this RSI is between 40 and 60, you won't expect any much move in the market. It will be in the sideways. Even during the intraday, if there is any spike on the either side, at the end of the day, you can see that Nifty closed in the flat mode. Here, if you take this in MACD has given a higher bottom, and this blue line and red line, that it got triggered. In that case, you can expect a Nifty to go on the higher side. But we have to wait and watch whether this indicator breaks on the higher side. Until then, the market will be in the sideways. This weekly time frame. last week Nifty made a low of 23,460. Actually, this low was lower than the before that week low. That is 23rd December week low. That was 23,647. Even though that low is broken, if you consider the high, last week high is 24,226, which is higher than previous week high. That is 23,938. In that case, if you take that indicators are showing the higher bottom formation, which is a bullish pattern. Now let's check how the market is in the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, these both trend lines will act as an important barrier for Nifty, and for tomorrow level 24,130 will act as an immediate resistance. Once that level is crossed, you can expect a few more rise in the market. On the lower side, 23,806 will remain as an important support for Nifty. If that level is broken, you can expect a short-term bearish trend in the Nifty. Apart from that, Reliance, PNB, Tata Motors, all seems to be in the bullish grip. Now we will check the intraday time frame for that is a shorter time frame, how market is going to perform in this level. If you take Nifty has made a high of 24,226, and similarly the low was 23,460. The as market has given us so much movement in the last week, you can expect we are seeing a short term correction in this level. Once this correction is finished, you can see a further rise in the market. This level will act as an immediate resistance. That is, once these levels are broken, you can expect Nifty to cross 24,200 levels, which was made. Similarly, these lows will act as a very major support for Nifty. Once that level is broken, you can expect Nifty to break this support levels. Actually, this once these both lows are broken, you can expect Nifty to touch this trend line level.